Let me tell you something. So many people got a problem with growth. They'll throw up your past so quick. I'm talking about she used to date him. He used to date her. He used to work there. He used to go there. Yeah, they'll bring up all that. So many people got problems with growth. People don't understand in order to grow, you had to come from a different place. You had to come from some situations that you don't want to be in no more. That's called growth. And growth is cool. You want to bring up the old me, but it's a new me. All that used to be in the past, stop using it against me. I'm trying to grow. Understand what I'm saying? We all come from a past. Don't nobody want to bring up your old raggedy ass baby daddy that you used to date. Ain't nobody bringing up your ex-wife and that ex-past life and that old job you worked at, and you don't want nobody to know about that. Don't nobody want to bring that up. You don't want nobody to hear about that, huh? But you want to bring up my old life. You want to talk about my old wife. You want to talk about my old job and my old car. But guess what? I ain't there no more. That was a learning phase of my life. Don't judge me. Yeah, instead of talking about me, how about you help me? How about you put my name in a prayer instead of everything else? You want to talk about my falls and my faults and my flaws and all that. Talk about the rising. Understand what I'm saying, man? I had to go through what I went through in order to get to where I got to. And that's why you still stuck where you stuck at. Because you know why? You stuck. Your mindset stuck. Your elevator don't go all the way up. You so busy want to talk about people and judge people. Oh, he did this. Oh, he's still doing that. Is he still dating that? What about you? What you got going on? Huh? So quick to judge. So quick to point your finger. But when one finger pointing at somebody else, 4 more point back at you. Understand what I'm saying? We all come from a past. We all been on our ass. We all been broke, busted, disgusted, and couldn't be trusted. You had to go through them phases in order to understand and appreciate what you got now. That was the shaping and the molding. Understand what I'm saying? But stop bringing up what I used to do, because I used to ain't there. It's a new out here. Understand what I'm saying? And you gonna respect that. You gonna respect my growth. I ain't where I used to be, and I damn sure ain't where I was. I'm going what God got for me, and you gonna stay from around me with all that doubt and hating and negativity. Understand what I'm saying, man? It's just, I had to go through that, and I'm gonna keep going through things, man. But don't bring it up. Don't bring up where I used to be, because I ain't there no more, man. Stop bringing up the past of somebody working on their future, in the presence of somebody working on their future. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. YouTube.com/NinoBrown305. Y'all make sure y'all go to WeTheBusiness.com right now and buy some of my exclusive merch. Y'all make sure if y'all need any kind of mentoring, a big brother, a uncle, or somebody to talk to, make sure you sign up for my mentoring program, MrProblemSolver.net. I can help you. I can reform you. I can change your life. I can help you become a millionaire. Sign up right now. We the business.